Hello, today class we are going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. That is the title of our book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Our author is Eric Carle. And guess what? I only see one name, which means he's our author and our illustrator, which means he wrote the words and drew the pictures in the book. Take a second and look at our picture. And what do you think our book is going to be about? I think it's going to be about a certain kind of bug. What bug do you guys think? Maybe a caterpillar? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Oh, do you guys see the little egg? There it is, a little tiny egg. There's the moon. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a teeny tiny and very hungry caterpillar. What do you guys think? Is he big or small right now? Well, he's very small. He was just born. He's little. How about our sun? We learned about the sun when we learned about space. Do you guys remember? Is our sun hot or cold? Yeah, our sun is super hot. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Oh man, guys, he's still hungry. He's gonna find some more food. Let's see. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That looks pretty yummy, but that's a lot of food for a little caterpillar. How do you think he feels right there? How does the caterpillar feel? Yeah, he looks like he's a little bit sad, maybe sick. Let's see. That night, he had a stomach ache. That means his stomach hurt because he ate too much food and he ate a lot of candy too, a lot of sugar food. The next day was Saturday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. After that, he felt much better. Let's see how many bites he took in the leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bites in a big green leaf. Now he wasn't hungry anymore. He also wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. What do you guys think? Is he big now or small? Yeah, he is really big because he ate so much food. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and any guesses? The caterpillar turns into a, what is it? Butterfly. He was a beautiful butterfly. All right, guys, I have some questions for us about our story that we just read. Who remembers the title of our story? Did we read Room on the Broom or The Very Hungry Caterpillar? Good. We read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So our title, or the name of our story, is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. All right. That was our title. Next, we're going to find our author. Our author, what does an author do? An author writes the words in our book. We only have one name on our book right here, so we know our author and our illustrator are the same person. And what does our illustrator do? An illustrator draws the pictures. Good. So our author and illustrator, his name is right here. It's Eric Carle. There's his name. All right, guys, the next thing we're gonna find is our characters. These are the people in our book. Who can remember one of the characters in our book? I will give you some choices. Was our character in the book a caterpillar or Thomas the Train? What do you guys think? Good. Our character was the caterpillar. Our character is the caterpillar. Now, this is another character, but it's actually the same character. He just changed. But the caterpillar was also a butterfly, but it's the same character. He just turned into something different. So he was a caterpillar and a butterfly. Those are our characters. All right, guys. Next is our setting. Our setting is where our story takes place. Who remembers what the setting of our story is? I will give some choices. Did our setting take place in a castle or on a leaf? Good. Our setting took place on a leaf. That's where the caterpillar lived and ate. All right, guys. Last but not least, we're gonna sequence our story. We're gonna see what happens first and what happens last. Okay. So let's turn to our first page of our book. So here's the first thing that happened in our book. Our caterpillar hatched from the egg. So I want you guys to tell me, is the first thing that happened to our book that he turned into a butterfly, the egg hatched, or the caterpillar grew fat? What is the first thing that happened in our story? Good. The first thing that happened in our story is the caterpillar hatched from the egg. All right, guys, let's see what happens next. Ooh, that's upside down. The next thing that happened in our story, the sun came up and he was super hungry. So what? Did he feel sick? Eat some food? Or turn into a butterfly? So we're trying to figure out, the caterpillar's super hungry. So what did he do next? Did he feel sick? Did he eat? Or did he turn into a butterfly? Good. He was hungry, so he ate. All right, guys, these are the first things he ate. On the first day, he ate one red. What? Apple. The first day he ate one red apple. Next day he ate two pears. Okay, guys, we're looking for 2 pears. Do you guys see it? Good. 1 apple, then 2 pears. Let's see what happens next. He eats 3 plums. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. Where's 3 plums? We're looking for 3. Good. 3 plums. Okay, let's see what he eats next. He ate 4 strawberries. All right, where's the 4 strawberries? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, there's our 4 strawberries. The last day, let's see. He ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys. The caterpillar's still hungry, so he's gonna eat some more. So we need to find the rest of the food. He eats 1, what? What's the first thing he eats? A cake, an ice cream, or a pickle? Let's look at the picture again. The first thing he eats is a piece of chocolate cake. What does he eat first? Cake, ice cream, or pickle? Good. Cake. He has a slice of cake. Okay, what comes next? He has 1 ice cream cone. All right, then he has 1 pickle. Can you guys find 1 pickle? I'll give you a hint. Our pickle is green. Good, this is our one pickle. The next thing he eats is a slice of Swiss cheese. Ooh, I have a tricky question for you guys. Is cheese dairy or meat? Dairy means it comes from milk, and meat means we're eating an animal. What do you guys think? Good, cheese is a dairy. Can you guys find cheese? Good. Then next he eats one salami. Ooh, and then this delicious thing. What is that called? Who knows? Good, a sucker or a lollipop. Then he eats one slice of cherry pie. Then he eats one sausage. One sausage. One cupcake. And what fruit is this? One watermelon. All right, guys, he just ate a lot of food. How do you think what's gonna happen next? How does he feel? Does he feel sick? Or does he turn into a butterfly? What happens next? Good, he feels sick because he ate a lot of food. He feels sick. All right, almost done. The next thing he does is eat some green leaf to feel better. Does he turn into a butterfly, grow fat, or eat part of a leaf to feel better? What happens next? Good. The caterpillar takes some bites out of a green leaf to feel better. Okay, then the caterpillar grows really big. He grows fat. Okay, then what's the last thing that happens in our story? Our caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Good. All right, guys, that is all done. We did our title, our author and illustrator, our setting, and we sequenced our story. Awesome job, guys.